Good morning and welcome back to Scale Auto Guy's Workbench. This morning's video is a haul video of the kits that I got last Christmas. I apologize that I didn't get this video up sooner, but I've been quite busy lately and this is honestly the first opportunity that I've had to do this video. So here we go. First up is the 2-stall garage that I featured in last week's build video. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. It was fun. It was a fun build and looks great sitting above my desk. And I currently have the 67 Chevelle SS Pro Street that I built and the 67 GTO sitting inside that garage. If you missed that video, the garage build video that is, I'll put a link to that in the description box below. Next up is this Toyota Hilux double cab pickup. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you would have seen the unboxing video I did of this kit just after Christmas. This kit is currently being built at the time of this video and will be coming very soon. I'll put a link to the unboxing video in the description box below as well. And hit that subscribe button if you want to see the build video on this truck. It's coming real soon. Next up is the white, excuse me, sorry, didn't mean to hit the camera there. Next one up is the white Frof gas truck by Atlantis. I did an unboxing video on this kit recently as well, and of course I'll put the link to that video in the description box below if you're interested in watching that. This kit looks like it's going to be pretty cool to assemble. Having only 61 parts, it should be fairly quick to build. This kit was originally released in 1956 and is a more recent addition to the Atlantis lineup. This kit comes with glass. Now, back in 1956 when they originally released it, it did not come with glass, and some of you out there have got some of the original, I assume the original 56 edition, or maybe something a little bit later that doesn't come with the glass. And well, on the Atlantis website they have a link there where you can buy the glass. If you've already bought the kit, you can buy the glass separately from Atlantis. I think they have it listed for like $4 and change or something like that. It's really inexpensive, but honestly, yes, it should have come with glass, but if you have the older edition that didn't, it's a mess. Anyway, the next kit is for all of you Tri-5 guys out there. This 55 Chevy B Air Sedan can be built two different ways. As a stock car, or you can do it as a street version. This kit has 157 parts, so it could be built up into a really nice looking car. It comes with pad printed white wall tires and stock wheel covers, or you got the street rod wheels, as well as a lot of parts to make the stock engine into something a little bit more sporty. Also comes with a hood scoop if you want to put that on there. Like I said, this kit has 157 parts. Here's a breakdown of all the trees, and here's the stock version. And I like the flames for the decal sheet. Next up, whoop! I keep hitting the camera. Sorry, guys. Next up, this Dodge Warlock Stepside pickup. I think this was a 76 model. I might be incorrect, but I believe this was a 76 model. Now, this is the big brother to the Little Red Express pickup. The major difference is obviously this came in black, where the Little Red Express came in red. This is a four-wheel drive Little Red Express with just a two-wheel drive, and of course the iconic exhaust stacks on the Little Red Express truck didn't come on the Warlock. It does come with the custom gold wheels, so you don't have to worry about painting those, and off-road tires. This kit has 135 parts. Here's the breakdown. Looking at this, it looks like it will be a one-piece bed and separate cab. So that'll be kind of nice, so that you don't have to, well, you can, let me put it this way. Whew, words. You don't have to put the Stepside bed on the back of it. You can do anything you want with it. You can put a stake bed on the back of it if you want. Now, this doesn't say if it's molded in black or white. Oh, it says it is molded in white, so you'll have to paint that. It does come with the bonus decal for the hood, so that'll be kind of nice. Next up, from Revell, is this Cadillac Escalade. I'm going to move this out of the way here. Cadillac Escalade. This is the like the Suburban body. It's not like the EXT that I had previously done, which was nice. This one is actually a curbside. It has 112 parts. It does give you optional wheels, like a wire spoke wheel. The rear hatch opens up on it. I'm not sure of the dimensions of it, but well, I'm not going to open the box right now. I've already looked inside. But the body is almost as long as the box is. So it's a pretty good sized kit. And I've been looking forward to putting that one on. A lot of guys didn't like the EXT kit when I built it. And I don't know why. I never know why I get the thumbs downs on my videos. Nobody ever tells me what they didn't like about it. So it is what it is. I'm going to build whatever I want on my channel. I guess if you don't like it, there are other channels out there that you can be watching. So, you know, whatever. I have given up trying to figure it out. Well, anyway, to get back into the haul video here, the next couple of kits are a slight departure from what I normally have on the channel. I thought I would mix it up a little bit and throw in a bit of unusual kits. So the next one is the USS Banbridge. And the box says it's a nuclear-powered guided missile frigate. And it's not really incorrect. The USS Banbridge, this one here being by Aurora, which is a division of, you guessed it, Atlantis. But the real USS Banbridge, the ship was a nuclear-powered guided missile cruiser in the United States Navy. She was the only ship of her class, named in honor of Commodore William Bainbridge. She was the fourth U.S. Navy ship to bear the name, with her original hull classification symbol of DLGN, which means, when you break that down, nuclear-powered guided missile destroyer leader. But at the time, she was also called a frigate. She was the first nuclear-powered destroyer type ship in the U.S. Navy, and shared her name with the lead ship of the first U.S. Navy destroyer class, the Bainbridge class destroyers. Bainbridge was redesignated as a guided missile cruiser in 1975. She was commissioned in 1962 and served for over 30 years in the Atlantic, Pacific, Mediterranean, and Middle East before being decommissioned in 1996. So, yeah, that's going to be a fun ship to build. I was in during the time that she was serving as well. I retired in 2002, so yeah, I never saw this ship, but I had read and studied a little bit of the history of the nuclear-powered fleet. They did have a couple of other DLGNs that were reclassified as CGNs while I was in. The Navy decided that the ships were too old, and they decommissioned all of them while I was serving. So, the last kit in this video is a kit that was purchased from Temu. I realize that a lot of you guys don't care for Temu, but they have some great kit prices. Now, this kit is a big departure from what I normally have on the channel. So here it is, the Trumpeter P40 Warhawk. This kit is in 1/72nd scale and has a wingspan of just over 6 inches. This came in a separate cardboard box and was unsealed when I pulled it out of that box. I presume for customs clearance. I don't know. When looking inside, you can see that there isn't a bunch of parts to this assembly, so it'll probably be a snap to build. Paint times being the longest wait for this. So there's just like 2 trees of parts inside this. So it's going to be a fun little build, nice little distraction. I like the decal sheet, and yeah, you guys can see it. It gives you British markings and American markings, as well as the teeth that go on the front of the aircraft. So it gives you an option how you want to outfit it. Here's the 2 mock-ups for the decals. Like I said, this is a Trumpeter kit, so never built a Trumpeter kit before. It'll be a first. So there it is, all the kits that I received for Christmas of 2024. All of these kits will be featured on the channel throughout this coming year, as well as others thrown in here and there, obviously. Well, I hope you enjoyed this haul video. If you did, why not click that thumbs up button? It helps the YouTube algorithm to share my content, which helps my channel grow. If you have any questions or comments, please write those in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to respond as soon as possible. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, or you can drop me a line at scaleoutaguy@gmail.com. And if you want more videos like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you will be notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching Scale Out a Guy's Workbench, and I'll see you on the next build.